Hey everyone, today I'm going to review a work chat app that is becoming more popular, especially among teams looking for a more structured and secure alternative to WhatsApp and iMessage. It's called Zenzap. After testing it over the past few weeks, I think it's deserve your attention. We all know that team communication tools have exploded in last few years. But the problem is most of them are not built for work like WhatsApp or iMessage. Others are too complicated like Slack or Teams for what most businesses really need. If you're a part of a team that doesn't want to train employees for a week to just send a message, or you're tired of chaotic group chat and missed files, this might be the tool you have looking for. Let me walk you through what makes Zenzap stand out. Let's talk about how easy it is to use. Zenzap is designed to be simple and intuitive. There is zero onboarding friction. If you ever used WhatsApp or iMessage, you will pick it up in a second. But it's clearly built for work. Starting with features like message scheduling, you can write a message at night and set it to go out in the morning. It's a small thing, but a big quality of life improvement. With topics, Zanza brings much needed structure to work chats, helping teams stay focused. Topics are focused conversations that help eliminate the chaos of generic group chats. You can create a topic where for marketing campaign, payroll, or client A. Invite the relevant people and keep all the communication streamlined. You can even organize files into folders which make it easy for teams to keep materials grouped by department or big projects. Zenzap has built-in task management. You can assign tasks, set deadlines, and track progress all right inside the chat. No jumping between apps, no losing context. Everything stays in one place, so it's easier to stay organized and actually get things done. Zenzap offered calendar integration. Schedule meetings straight from your chat. One of my favorite features in Zenzap is file library. Every file, photo, or document shared in your workspace is automatically saved in one central place. It's clean, searchable, and remove the user stress of asking where did we keep that PDF. Admin controls and security. Unlike WhatsApp, where all files and media are stored in the personal phone, Zenzap gives businesses full control over their communication environment. Everything is stored securely in the cloud, not distributed across individual devices. So sensitive information stay protected. Plus, user can't see each other personal phone numbers, which adds another layer of privacy and professionalism. Adding or removing team members in just few clicks. Onboarding new employees seamless. Send them an invite and they will instantly have access to the right chats, tasks, and files. They can even view the full conversation history, so they are up to speed instantly. Offboarding is just as smooth. You can instantly revoke access to all chats in one click. In short, Zenzap puts business owner back in control of data, of access, and of peace of mind. So who is this app for? Zenzap is ideal for teams who want a chat app that is clean, fast, secure, and most importantly, built specifically for work. You will find the link in the description. Go ahead and check it out. It might be the upgrade your team needs. Let me know in the comments if you have ever tried Zenzap or if you have a favorite work chat app that's working well for your team. I would love to hear what's working for you. If you have any doubt, you can ask me on comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye-bye.